Hi guys, in this tutorial we will learn MySQL limit. MySQL limit query is used to restrict the number of rows returned from the result set rather than fetching the whole set in the MySQL database. It is essential in such a case when the table contains thousands of rows or you want to return only the recently inserted data. In other words, if you are not interested in getting all the rows returned from the query, use the MySQL limit clause with the select statement. It improves the performance of the query and even stops having crashed the system when the table contains large number of data. Here you can see syntax of MySQL limit. Select column list from table name limit offset comma count. Column list, it is the name of the column that you want to return. Table name, it is the name of the table that contains your column name. Then offset, offset specifies the number of row from which you want to return. The offset of the row starts from 0, not 1. And count. Count specifies the maximum number of rows you want to return. Now we will see limit clause with order by clause. Without using order by clause, you will get the result in an unspecified order. That's why here we use limit with order by clause. We will see how it actually works with the database. Click your Windows Start button, then search MySQL command line client. Enter your database. Here I am using Vaishali database. You can use any table from database list. Here I use employee table which I have already created. By using this command, first we see the structure of table, this table name. That here you can see the structure of employee table. Now we select the records by using select command. Now we use limit clause with order by clause. By using select command, select column list. You can select any column name. Here I am selecting employee ID, employee name and its income. Employee ID and its income from order by then specified the limit, offset and its count value. Offset value is a 3 and count value is the 7. Here you can see we got output because we select the column employee ID, employee name and his income. We get 3 column, but for that column we use order by only specific column income. Here you can see we got only one record because because we have inserted only 4 records. Here you can see first employee income is sorted by descending order. That means first this table sorted by descending order. That means employee income is first record is the 50,000, second is the 40,000, third is the 30,000 and fourth is the 20,000, and in that it directly goes to the 3 to 7. That means our third record is the this one. Here you can see the income is the 20,000. This is our third record, and below total records are ended. That's why here compiler select only one record. Now we will see MySQL limit with where clause. Now we perform the query by using select command. Select employee name. Here you can specify the list of column. Employee name, then employee age, then its income or his income, from table name. Table name is the employee one. By using where clause. Where employee age. Here we specified the condition. Employee age. We use the age is a greater than 30. Order by income by using descending order. If you want to sort data in ascending order, that time you have to no need to mention ascending keyword, because it's by default sort ascending order. But you want to data in descending order, that time you have to mention that. Here I specified the limit 4. You can see age. During table creation time we use only age field. Here you can see we got this output. In query we use employee name, age and income from employee 1, but we specified the condition where age is a greater than 30. In this table you can see there are there are only 2 employees which having age is a greater than 30. That's why it returns only 2 records. Thank you guys.